Atima Hellen Gracious from Bukedea District. I'm in sub-county, Angangam Parish, Angangam Village. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I've been doing a business selling fuel. Petrol. I've been selling fuel in my village, but I used to pick fuel from the petrol station. I used to go and buy like 100 liters. I'm the one to come and sell them. And I used to sell like 2 days when those 100 liters are over. The challenges was the price you're going to pick from the shell. You bring and sell from the customers are not accepting the price you want to tell them. And the transport. I heard about Gudie Leisure Farm from our local leaders, and then I applied. I'm in Feedmill. I've learned about how to grow soybean, how to grind soybean and maize bran, and how to use the machines, how to mix the feeds. I've learned how to make different things like key holders and necklaces. When I go back to Bukedea, I'll go and train other youths how to make feeds.